Hello, so today we are going to present about computer network and we are from group 2CN from HL1. So our agenda today is to know the definition and history about computer network, types of computer network protocol, advantages and disadvantages. Moving on to definition and history. A computer network is a sophisticated system formed of two or more interconnected computing devices. So the history of computer network started in the 17th, was a foundational decade for computer networking, marked by the invention of key technologies and theoretical concepts. Louis Pauxin pioneered the concept of decentralized network where individual hosts were responsible for data delivery. Robert Metcalfe and David Boggs invented Ethernet. Cerf and Bob Hahn developed the core protocol TCP that would form the basis of the modern Internet. In the 80s, they focused on expanding and standardizing these technologies, most notably with the launch of NSFNet, which connected academic and research network and facilitated widespread adoption of TCP/IP. In the 90s onward, Ethernet ability to dramatically increase its transmission speed from 10 megabyte to over 1 gigabyte, was enabling new fields like the Internet of Things.
Next, let's jump into types of computer networks. There are various types of computer network, but today I will only explain about the first personal area network, local area network, and also the VPN. So first, we have a personal area network. So PAN is a short-range network topology that is used by an individual. Can transmit data between the devices without being necessarily connected to the internet. We have local area network, usually used in a common locations. By doing so, by using LAN, people in the area can share devices, share resources, exchange information as if they were all working from the same system. Lastly, we have VPN. First uses an encrypted connection that effectively hides data packets while using the internet. It offers extra protection users because it prevents sensitive information such as IP addresses from being exposed online. Let's recall a bit about what we have learned today. We have PAN. PAN mainly functions to transmit data between devices. And secondly, we have learned about local area network. LAN functions enables users to have exclusive access to the same system. It is mainly used in schools. We have VPN, giving extra protection to prevent their information to being exposed online.
This is network protocol. Of protocol in computer network. A protocol is a set of rules for formatting and processing data, and is like a basic language for all devices in network. It is essential for them to communicate with each other and being able to work together. There are many types of computer network protocols, and two of them are TCP and UDP. For the first one is TCP, which stands for Transmission Control Protocol. TCP, where there is a connection-oriented protocol, and it provides reliable delivery of data using acknowledgements, which stand for ACK. It can ensure data is received in the correct order. Next is UDP, which stands for User Datagram Protocol. In comparison to TCP, it is a connectionless protocol. It does not guarantee delivery or order of packets, and it has no error checking or retransmission. These are several differences between TCP and UDP. One of it was data sequence. In TCP, it can sequence a data, while UDP could not. However, for broadcasting, in TCP, it could not support the broadcasting while UDP can. Both have differences on their advantages and disadvantages, but both is very vital to the modern networking. So it's very important for engineers to recognize the differences for them to use them essentially for an important situation, so they could actually make the very most use out of it.
Next is about advantages and disadvantages of computer network. Here I listed 3 advantages of computer network. The 3 of it are resource sharing, communication, and social media. In the case of social media is one of the recent and widely used application of computer networking. It helps people in getting news, feed current trending topics of all types and etc. These disadvantages of computer network. Three of it which are expensive, virus and malware, and loss of information. In case of loss of information, in case of a crash of the computer network, it can lead to the loss of information or not being able to access information for some time, which will trouble us.